Hello everyone, in this video we will explore the concept of if-else statement and how they can help us to control the flow of our code. When you write a Java program, it begins executing from the main method. The lines of code are executed sequentially until we reach the end of main method. But what if we want to control the order of execution of program? Meaning, if there are 5 lines in a program and you don't want to execute the 4th line for some reason, then how will you achieve it? Here, control flow statement comes into the picture. Control flow statement in Java allows us to determine order in which our codes run. They allow you to make decisions about what code to run based on certain condition, and they also allows us to repeat the certain block of codes multiple times. One such a control flow statement is if-else statement. It is called as conditional statement. In simple term, if statement checks whether the condition is true or false. If it is true, then specific code is executed. If condition is false, then code in else block is executed. Let's consider the real life example of Hotstar streaming platform. It offers both free and premium content. As a developer, we use if-else statement to decide what content to show. If user is a premium subscriber, then we will display premium content. Otherwise, we will show free content. The syntax of if statement is quite simple. We begin with if keyword followed by condition enclosed in parentheses, that is open and close bracket. If this condition is true, the code within the curly bracket is executed, and if this condition is false, then program will not execute whatever written in if block, and it will continue its execution from the next line of if block. But if condition is false and you want to execute different code, in that case, you can use else statement immediately after if block. Remember, else block is optional and you can just write the code with if block. You can also write if-else statement inside another if-else statement. This is called as nested if-else statement. Now let's see how we can write conditions in Java. In Java, we write condition using comparison operator. This operator helps us to determine whether the values are equal, not equal, greater or less than some value. For example, to check if two numbers are equal, we use double equal to operator instead of single equal to, because single equal to is used for assigning some value to the variable. You can see various comparison operators on screen for your reference. Now let's put our knowledge into practice. We will create a simple Java program that determines whether the given number is even or odd. In mathematics, a number is even if its remainder when divided by 2 is 0. We can use modulo operator to find the remainder. So we have to check if remainder is 0 or not. If it is 0, then we will print number is even, else we will print number is odd. Now let's write a Java program to check if number is even or odd. First, we have to ask the user to enter a number. To accept input from a user, we will use scanner class. So let's import a scanner class and create object of a scanner class in main method. We will take input from a user using nextInt method of the scanner class and save it in an integer variable. Now that we have the number, let's write if-else statement. The if statement starts with the if keyword followed by condition in parentheses. As we discussed, we will check if remainder is equal to 0 or not. So we will write num mod 2 equal to 0. If this condition is true, then we will print even number using system.out.println statement in Java. Otherwise, in else statement, we will print odd number. Our Java program to check if number is even or odd is now ready. So now let's jump to Eclipse and execute the program. First, let's create a class. We have already created project for our Java program. So right click on the project, then go to new and then class. Now we have to give the name to our class. We will give name as even odd and we will select include public static void main method. Now we have to write our program that we discuss in main method. You can pause this video to type this program. Now let's run this program. Now Java will ask user to input the value. Let's enter 5 as the value. We can see that it prints odd number on the screen. Now let's run again and enter 6 as a value. It will print even number. That's it for today's video. I hope you would have understood the concept of if-else statement in Java. In next video, we will learn about switch case statement.